Curly Shirley here, and I am back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys some tips in regards to varnishing your completed masterpiece. So to begin, we have spray varnish. I am starting with two here. I have the matte version and the glossy version. I'm gonna be honest with you, I'm not the biggest fan of the matte. I find that it shows a lot of dust and stuff like that when the picture is hanging after a little while, and I don't find it the easiest to clean, but in terms of application and the look of it, no complaints. My number one favorite though, like chef kiss, gloss varnish. So the thing I really like about the gloss varnish is that it brings out the pigments in the paint. It's easy to apply with the spray nozzle, same thing as the matte, and yeah, it's just a fave. Keep in mind that you have other options like satin as well. I never tried it, so I don't really have much to say about it, but gloss for sure is my number one favorite. So to begin, I'm obviously gonna shake it, make sure, honestly, I was shaking for mad long before this. You need to make sure you're shaking, okay? Do a little test spray to make sure that it comes out okay, and I'm pretty much just gonna go back and forth along the canvas. Your best bet is to go back and forth with long strokes like I am here. The beginning, I was just kind of testing it out. Once you feel like the whole surface is done, you wanna make sure that you get around the edges, and voila, you're pretty much done, which didn't take me longer than like a couple minutes. You just want to make sure that you leave it out to dry because it will be sticky for the next couple days and will smell very odd. All right, so second option, GAMVAR. This is a varnish that is painted on, and it can be used on acrylics or oils. So to start, you're gonna get yourself a little bowl. This is part of my Dollarama set that I referred to in my gesso video. Hold up. Now, before y'all come in like the varnish police, you really should be using a clean brush. You really should not be using an old used up brush, but I wouldn't be me if I followed the rules. So as long as the bristles can move, you're pretty much good to go. Don't hold me to it though. Use your own discretion, obviously, right? So I'm gonna go in here, pour a little bit of my GAMVAR. Take my brush, dip it in a little bit, and pretty much get straight into it. So I'm gonna be going with long strokes again, back and forth, sort of spreading it around, topping it up on my brush when I need to. Would you look at that pop of color? Look at, oh. Ooh, look at that highlight. That's the power of GAMVAR. I would say this is a pretty good varnish. I have no complaints in regards to it. I really like the effect that it has. It is a bit costly, but it definitely does its job. So once you sort of go in, you know, you want to make sure everything is covered. If you notice, I'm kind of going back and forth, which you probably shouldn't really be doing. But again, it's me. I don't always follow the rules. It still ended up looking blessed. So, I mean, here's a little bit of the leftover GAMVAR, which lets me know that I probably don't need that much next time around. And voila. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will catch up with you guys next time.